Here's what's up. This thing is bothering me, man. It's like when I'm just driving down the street, I see it everywhere. Sitting at my window on a rainy night, I'm looking out, and it's all that I see, everywhere. I go to the park, it's all in the water, it's all in the leaves of all the trees and all the bushes. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what's up. Ever since those two mammoth bodies collided with each other hundreds of billions of years ago, scattering trillions of miles for hundreds of billions of years through outer space, there's been this crazy stuff that's come out of these clouds and formations of all kinds of molecules and compounds. I mean, making up the very stuff you and I are made out of. Even making it such that you can sit back and watch this video. Made it so you could sit back and enjoy a good piece of fruit like an apple. Hey, I had to call on my boy, you understand, take me to the periodic table of the elements and figure this damn thing out. We gotta find out what's going on, man. And you know what? The first thing is hydrogen. This bad boy makes up more than 90% of all the atoms known, equaling 3/4 of the mass of the universe. And simple, man, this thing has a single negatively charged electron orbiting around a nucleus with one positively charged proton. That's it, man. That's hydrogen. And oh yeah, that snot ball I flung in the subway the other night, hydrogen is all inside that bad boy too. Man, hydrogen is everywhere. The next bad one is nitrogen. This guy makes up 78% of the air we breathe. And nitrogen is all in your DNA. So without nitrogen, you ain't even here, brother. And you know all that good milk you like in your Starbucks coffee? Yep, you guessed it. Nitrogen makes it possible. And this bad boy's got 7 electrons orbiting around 7 neutrons and 7 protons. Pretty bad. And the next one is carbon, number 6 on the list of elements in the universe. This bad boy makes up 20% of everything that you are. And carbon is like your unemployed buddy down the street. Carbon can hook up with anything, anybody. He can even link to himself. And he sports 6 electrons orbiting around 6 neutrons, 6 protons in this nucleus. Balanced out. Bad boy. So when these 3 bad boys come together, they form a crazy thing. Something called dimethyltryptamine, better known in the street as DMT. Now, DMT is a weird boy because it's produced in the brains of human beings by the pineal gland, and they suspect that in times of extreme physical stress, some near-death experiences, and even during deep REM sleep, the body releases DMT. But DMT is the most psychedelic of all drugs. DMT will f you up, and it's also found in at least 148 different plants. And what do we humans do when we get our hands on some man-made DMT? Yep, you guessed it. So if you run across a man-made DMT, just walk away from it. Leave it alone. Do yourself a favor. Peace out, brothers and sisters.